Hello, so right now I want to show you how to vote at Mnet Asian Music Award 2021. First, you have to log into MWEF. If you don't know how to log in, you can check my video. Okay, I'm using Gmail right now, as always. Haha. Right now, just vote now. Click vote now, and now just scroll down to see the artist ranking and vote button. Vote and view ranking. Okay, it's loading, and this is the tutorial from the website. You can see the zero vote. It means that there is no artist that you are vote or selected. Now just click the artist or idol that you support. You can just only 5 artists that you like or you want. Only 5. Now I want to show you when you have the idol or selected your idol or artist. Okay, just write the captcha. Enter captcha correctly and click yes. After you click yes, you have to watch the ads from MWF. Now you have to accept the consent to collection or personal information. You can read this one. There are 4 points, and yeah, congratulations, you just vote your favorite idol.